Shapiro and RockattacK here. We are members
or represent 2000.
We are going to repo an ATV out in the forest right now. The douchebag that owns the ATV stalled out in the woods last night and he couldn't get it out. So we got called now to the repo. We're gonna have to take Donnie's four-wheeler, which we have strapped to the back now.
Got it for a great deal, Rice Honda.
Rice Honda.
They only screwed me a little bit.
A little bit. Just
I mean, they got a finger in, but that's it.
It was just, yeah.
Just the pinky.
Just the pinky, yeah. Exactly. Just the pinky and just the tip of the pinky. It wasn't even full.
So it was alright.
Yeah, it wasn't.
And it actually really made it nice.
Kind of exciting. We're gonna get it running, or we're either gonna tow it like we couldn't tow it last night, where we almost died of hypothermia.
Oh yeah, so
and we're right back to it again.
We did lose one member. He perished.
Yeah, he's
unfortunately.
Khaos has passed away. Rest in peace, Khaos.
Sorry.
You know, only the strong survive. Only the strong survive. You know, we're gonna have funeral processions for him on YouTube.
I don't know if I'll be able to make it.
Yeah.
But I'll send a card probably.
Yeah. I don't know.
Have my kids make one.
I got poker night that night, so I don't know. Like, it's gonna be rough.
Yeah.
And then in all reality, if we get it started, we could just haul ass through Trail 89
for the rest of the day
and have a little bit of a good time before we have to go back to pissy women. We'll edit this.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day. From RockattacK and Donnie.
We love you, ladies.
We love you. Alright, we're back. MDM. We made it to Piedmont. We can't see Donnie.
Well,
we got pizzas. We're hungry
Papa
as fuck.
John's. Survival food. It's delicious, this pizza.
Oh, yeah. Oh.
It's like going to Papa John's.
Oh.
Sometimes you get little peppers, you get pepper leaves.
That's bullshit. Oh yeah, the little banana pepper, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Usually they hook you up with a goddamn little pepper. Not today. I can see you looking at me.
After we get our protein fix, we're back onto Operation ATV Repo, and we'll let you guys know when we get there.
Gonna go the quick, safe route.
We are on ATV quest for the repo right now, and we made it about a mile up the road, and we lost about 3 things so far. So we decided to stop and actually tie down our shit like we should have to begin with. But we get too excited and we like to get out here. We don't have time for shit like this.
Strap it down. You might as well strap it down so it's gonna stay there.
If Keith was here, he would have made sure we strapped it down. He overthinks. We underthink. It's been running pretty good so far. Yeah, oh, minor fire. We're on the side of the cliff now. You can see the flagpole right over there. Donny and RockattacK, the real man, going on an ATV right. Alright, we're here with the war wagon, with the war mobile. We got gas put back in the war wagon. The battery's dead on her, so we're gonna jump her. We're about 50 miles in to this trip so far.
Yeah.
We've had to go through so much gas to get back out here. We don't know if we're gonna make it back. We're cold, we're wet. There's a giant mud water puddle next to us. Just another day. Start try to. That's what there is. Start try to. Here, send a shout out to K-Sim.
basically it to me, buddy. We're having a blast today. Come out and love the Valentine's Day. See you later.
It's Valentine's Day.
Who's on Khaos ATV? Nobody.
Kingz of Khaos.
That was pretty sweet.
Got snow all over my camera, but it was worth it.
You missed a little bit of it.
Sorry, Tossie, but we're gonna tear this shit up today. Valentine's Day 2016. Donny and RockattacK. Together forever, baby! Donny Disapiro here. And RockattacK AK-47. It is Valentine's Day. We are on our Valentine's date right now. And we recovered my four-wheeler. We got the other one right here. This is what we're on right now. Hey, don't put that lighter away.
We are cold, numb.
This is all brought to you by Keith's Tax Return. He's always giving, always giving. But yeah, we're gonna smoke a cigarette.
Warm up my fucking hands.
Warm up his hands. Why aren't you wearing your gloves? Or are they all wet?
They got all wet somehow.
I don't know how that happens. But yeah, just Valentine's Day and we're sitting here fucking things up. We had hypothermia last night. Then we come back out to retrieve this four-wheeler here, which we have. Now we gotta drive all the way back, me and Donny, and get through this treacherous ass forest. That's our trail. So, we'll probably catch up with you here in a little bit. Looks like he's taking a piss behind that four-wheeler. Yeah! You hear that, Keith? You hear that? There's Donny Disapiro, RockattacK AK-47. We got both vehicles loaded into the truck. We had a fail moment that we didn't catch on camera, of course. A couple fail moments, but we don't like to put those on camera. But the important thing is, we got them both.
We made it.
We made it. We made it alive. Thanks, Keith. Yep. Well, what a sweetheart. He is a sweetheart. Keep your shots out there.
Thank you for watching the King's latest video right here on YouTube. Kingz of Khaos. Please be sure to like and subscribe to all of our content as well as our channel. We can't do this without you. Make sure you're checking our tweets out too. That's at Kingz YouTube on Facebook and hit us up personally. Kingz Khaos 2016 Gmail. This is Donny RockattacK.
K-Seth, we're out.